In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a collage on Android. To record this video, I'm using a Samsung S23 Plus, so please keep that in mind as the process for what I'm about to show you might look a little bit different depending on the type of Android device that you have. So the first thing I want you to do is to head over to your gallery and find the photos that you want to turn into a collage. So in my case, I'm going to use two different photos that you can see on my screen right here. So the first thing I want to do is tap and hold onto the first photo and then basically just tap onto the second picture that you want to add to the collage. From here, what I want to do is click on create. As you can see, it's right here at the bottom. Tap on that and then click on create a collage. And as you can see, the two pictures that I selected have now been added to a collage. If you take a look at the bottom right here, I can choose different layouts of the collage. So if I want the images to look basically side to side, click on the first one. If you want to be top and bottom, click on the second one. And then, as you can see, there's all these different kind of layouts. And if you want to be able to adjust it yourself, click on the first option right here. And then you can basically just drag each of the pictures to your liking. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to create a collage on Android. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.